Hey guys, so quick video on how you can reset a Tumi luggage lock if you forgot the password. So the one way how we're gonna do it, what I encourage you to do, this is the fastest way, is that if you're gonna have like a free numbers there, what you want to do is just first just check all the possible combination. This is the best way how you can fix for most of the luggage locks. You just want to go 112, 114, 115, 116, 120, 121. Maybe we could go 111, 222, 333, 444, 556, 666, and then you're gonna go to like 123, 234, 345. Try all these possible combinations. It's going to take like up to like 15-20 minutes, and you're gonna actually open the case. So that's the best thing in my opinion, best way how you're gonna reset the Tumi luggage lock, to actually just test all the combination like I have it on here on the screen. And I'm telling you right now, you just get to it.